Bet you wishing on a star, you praying that this shit would stop. See you acting like you hard, but that is something that you not. I got big knots, so my pockets, they be swole a lot. Like, la 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 la, I'm singing to the fucking bet you.
First of all, can we get into this look? Because this is definitely a look. But yeah, this video is going to be short and simple because this is my second time recording it because the first one deleted. So we're going to make this short and simple. I have everything written down on this sticky note. So yeah, to start off, everybody has been like commenting on like, oh, like how much weight I lost and like asking me how and stuff. So this video is for you guys. But yeah, so the first thing I did that I would say would like kickstart my weight loss journey would be I cleansed. I did the master cleanse. Not saying you necessarily have to do that cleanse, but I would say do a cleanse. The master cleanse was like really hard. I only did it for like 8 or 9 days because it's basically starving yourself. But there's other stuff that you can do like to cleanse your body. It's other cleanses without you having to starve yourself to get all this stuff out your body. But I do recommend doing a cleanse first because it's gonna get all of the toxins and bad stuff and unhealthy gunk out of your body. Okay, so that's number one. And then the second thing that I have is I put these in categories. So the second category is healthy choices. Grab your notebook, grab your paper, make sure you take notes because you're going to get the notes for this. Okay, so for healthy choices, the first thing I put was cooking versus eating out. I know last semester, me and my roommates, we definitely cooked a lot more than we ate out. We went grocery shopping, cooked stuff. I feel like that helped a lot versus us going to get fast food or going to get stuff from the caf, going to get stuff from like the different restaurants that they have on campus, which is what we've been doing this semester. But last semester, I really do feel like that helped. And then also we were getting stuff that was like healthy, like not healthy, but it wasn't like, oh, bad, all bad for you. Like we made smart decisions, you know. Just make smart decisions when you're grocery shopping. You know, you got some fruit, you got a bag of chips, go with fruit, or get some like veggie chips or something. Those are good. The second thing is the dining hall / the dining dollars here. We have 2 dining halls, and then we have something called dining dollars, which is what you can use to buy stuff from the restaurant. Don't go crazy. That's all I'm gonna say, because freshman 15 is real. Okay, that is a real thing. It's not a joke. I probably gained freshman 65. So yeah, just don't go crazy because it's easy to go crazy, and then you won't think nothing of it, and then by the time you know it, you'll be the size of the screen. Okay. And you don't want to be the size of the screen, the size of a refrigerator, the size of a couch, the size of a bus. You don't want to be like that, okay? The third thing that I had to teach myself was definitely portion control, because I would say now I definitely like eat less and I stop when I'm full. Because before, like sometimes I had the days where I'll, you know, I'm not going to eat like if I'm full, but, you know, 1 more bite or 2 more bites. If the food is good, you know, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, like I'll say like my freshman year in my freshman year of college and my senior year of high school, because I'm a sophomore now, but those 2 years I would definitely like be full and still keep eating. Like, sis, why are you doing that to yourself? Like, why? You know you're full. Why? But yeah, so definitely portion control helps. Look at the serving size. Look at the serving size on everything. It's there for a reason. Most of the stuff you'll be surprised to find how many servings is in there versus how many servings you eat normally. Yeah, and yeah, that's all I'm gonna say for that. And then the last thing are college eating habits. I already spoke on that. The freshman 15, just make smart choices. Like if you do go to the cab, because I know everybody don't have the money to buy groceries. We are in college, so just make smart eating decisions, like, you know, okay, like, you know, get a salad, get a sandwich, get something from the healthy stations that they have. Don't always go to the fries, don't always go to the burgers, because that was my favorite thing. Fries. Still love fries, can't get enough of fries, but too much fries, relax, sis, relax. Oh, that wasn't the last thing. Another thing is drinking teas, drinking more water. You know, everybody loves water. If you don't love water, learn to love water. It's gonna be your best friend. Eventually, if you start training yourself and you drink water a lot, you're just gonna start craving it, like, oh, that's what I want. I want water. I want water. I don't want juice. I don't want soda. I want water. Teas. Smooth Move, that was like my best friend. If you do drink Smooth Move, which I suggest because it's a good idea, it's a good way to cleanse your body. Do it the night before the day that you have nothing to do, because like on a Sunday or something, no class, no school, no work, none of that stuff, where you'll just be at home, because it will get you and you will go to the bathroom. It's mostly going to be in the morning. That's why they recommend it to drink at night before you go to bed. It's definitely going to hit you in the morning when you wake up. It might even wake you up depending on how late you wake up. But yeah, and you're gonna go a couple of times. It's gonna last, I say, like an hour. That's how long mine usually, like, back and forth. Not back and forth frequently, but it'll be like, oh, I gotta go. When you gotta go, just go. But like, yeah, I did it and then went to work the next day, so it's not like something like unbearable. Like, you'll be fine. So yeah, but it's better to take on a day when you don't have nothing to do. This tea, this is matcha. This is my favorite tea. I just got it in, like, half the box is gone already, because I've been drinking it every day. It's so good. I recommend this. Matcha is acquired taste though. This is matcha green tea with ginger. Yeah. Matcha is acquired taste, so you might not like it, you might like it, but I read at Starbucks, we have matcha there, so I already knew I liked it. Another thing is like healthy snacks instead of like unhealthy snacks, you know, like chips, cookies, all that stuff. Healthy snacks, you can do like guacamole. That's my favorite. They have little snack size guacamole dip with the chips. Boom, those are my favorite. I love guacamole. They have spicy and they have mild. Okay, but yeah, fruit. You already know Publix fruit is the best fruit. Go to Publix, get you some fruit, get the big ones, and then you can like meal prep. That's another thing. You can meal prep. Meal prep saves money, saves time, healthy eating, all in one. Veggie chips, already said that. You can do like popcorn. They have like popcorn, pretzels. A lot of people don't like pretzels, but pretzels are good to me. I like pretzels. You can find different things to put on pretzels that makes it taste better. The third category, I don't know if I'm talking real fast, but I'm trying to get this video done because I don't have that much storage. This is my second time doing it. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Your girl is tired. That's why my hair looks like this. Do my makeup for this video. Like I said, it's a look. If y'all want a tutorial, let me know. Probably gonna do it anyways, because yeah, this looks like I'm mad. Beep. Mom, if you're watching, I'm sorry. But yeah, the third category I put is like active. Be active. If you're in college, go to the gym at school. You're paying for it. Go to the gym. Work out at home. It's easy. You can go on YouTube and watch videos of at-home workouts. There's plenty of workout videos on YouTube. That's what me and my roommate do before we go to the gym. Find a video, find what body part we want to work on that day. Go on YouTube, find a video, look at the workouts, copy the workouts at the gym. And some of them, I'd say the one that we go to is Whitney Simons, I think that's her name. That's my sis. She'll have you sore, she'll have you working out. Go to her channel. Work out outside when it's nice outside. Work out outside. Go to the park. go work out at the park, even when it's cold outside, or like fallish weather, like not too cold, not too hot. Those are the best days to go running because the air is light, it's not heavy. It's not gonna be heavy on you. Yeah, me, I don't like running. I'll run if I have to. And sometimes I have times where it's like, ooh, like, okay, I want to run. But most of the time I don't, because I don't like running. But I'll still do it. So yeah. And that comes with me going to the gym and starting to go to the gym and be more active. Then I just started liking running out of nowhere. I mean, not liking, but didn't care about running out of nowhere. So yeah. If you're in college or even like high school and stuff, they have recreational sports, play them. Especially if you're in college and you did sports in high school, they have rec sports, soccer, baseball, volleyball, basketball, flag football, all that stuff. Do it. That's another way to get involved, meet new people, just all part of being active. It's different things that you can do. And then I say this is like the most important thing. Have a workout buddy, because you guys can motivate each other. One person doesn't feel like going, and the other person, it's your responsibility. Like, come on, we gotta go. And it's always better if you have a workout buddy. You have somebody to do it with you. You have somebody who has goals. Like, y'all are both trying to work towards a goal together. And yeah, y'all start looking good together. You start feeling yourself together, period. And then the fourth thing, the last part is stay motivated. That's like one of the most important parts, because if you're not motivated, it's gonna get nowhere. So just stay motivated. Sometimes it can be hard, but you're still gonna have to push yourself through those hard times. And that's where like having a workout buddy comes into play, because they're there to help you, like motivate each other. Another thing that I realized is that other people are going to notice like you losing weight and stuff before you notice it, and other people are going to notice like, oh, like I always say like, oh, my face is getting weight, and people always tell me like, oh, I don't see it, you look like you're losing weight. So yeah, just you're gonna realize your flaws, your imperfections, all that stuff before somebody else is. And 9 times out of 10, they're still not gonna they're not gonna see what you see, because you see yourself, you know yourself, so you know. But other people, they just see like, I don't know, but yeah, they're gonna notice you losing weight and all that stuff before. And once they start telling you what I'm trying to tell you, you're gonna feel yourself like, yeah, okay, I see it, period. And then the more people that tell you that, the better you're gonna start feeling, the more you're gonna work out, the more you're gonna want to keep going, and it's gonna push you. It's also gonna motivate you. Another thing that I did was like, as a like goal type of thing, is I took a picture, and then I would edit it, like with one of the editing apps, edit my body, how I wanted myself to look. And then as I started losing weight, the more I got to the goal, it makes you feel good. It makes you want to keep going, like, oh, okay, like I'm actually going towards my goal. So yeah, that's one thing you can do. And the last thing is be confident, period. Be confident in yourself, no matter what size you are. You're on your journey. Like, you're on your journey, you're gonna get there. As long as you stay motivated, as long as you believe in yourself, you're gonna get there. So just be confident in yourself, be patient. It's not gonna happen overnight. Don't be checking the scale every day, because that's gonna make the situation worse. Just wait, like, and because you see like, oh, I gained 1 pound, oh, I didn't lose anything, I'm still the same way I was yesterday. Yeah, it's not gonna happen overnight. So I'd say like, wait a week, wait 2 weeks, wait a month. Like, don't get on that scale every day, sis. It's not necessary. It's not worth it, and it's gonna make the situation worse than it already is. But yeah, so 4 categories: cleanse, healthy choices, be active, and stay motivated. That's the end of this video. That's all I've been doing. It's not that much. I know it's the basic stuff, but I tried to just give you guys tips and stuff that I did and what I did to lose weight. You're gonna see the pictures of me before and after. I don't know if I'm gonna put it before me talking or after. Probably before or after, I'm not really sure. But yeah, you've seen it. It's the truth, it's the real deal, it's me. I'm back and I'm better, period. And that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.